Here, I'm discussing about how to create a Facebook page. So we know everybody how to create a profile. So a lot of people will be confused about how to create a page. The URL called facebook.com/pages. So here, there will create any kind of pages that is called your Facebook brand page. Nothing but your increase your brand and your keyword promotion along with the Facebook page. Same like your Google Plus brand page. Now here, after enter the facebook.com/pages, the option call is create a page. Here total will be 6 categories. One is called write down local business or places, company, organization or institutions. That will be promote your branding or product. Fourth will be artist and band or public figure. Fifth one entertainment related. Sixth will be own community. So here I'm creating for any kind of brand here. Just click here. Just click. I'm created for the movie reviews. I create a brand page call is movie reviews. Just here. See these categories. Which is one for the everyone. Communities. What is called? Entertainment. What is that? Movie. What are my option is? Movie reviews. Movie reviews. Now click for get started. So here I'm selecting option call is entertainment. The option call is movies. The option call is movie reviews. I'm not give the Telugu movie reviews. I give the all kind of movies. Tamil, Hindi, any kind of movies. That the option call is movie reviews. Suppose you can like this. Latest movie reviews. Now click for get started. The name not eligible, nothing but the name will already exist. So the name is not will be eligible. That is called it will be not exist for previous. So it will be eligible. Now click what is that? Upload your profile picture. There will be 500 by 500 pixel. So I'm adding here. Done. Next one. What is that? They go to what is the option called is cover photo. 828 by 312 pixel. Facebook cover photo. 828 by 312. Now just upload your cover photo. Just to take anything here. So first I'm selecting the out of 6 categories, select the one category. About I'm selecting for movie related. I'm selecting for the movie category. My option call is latest movie reviews. Done. So my page was created. My Facebook page was created. What is the my Facebook page? Facebook.com/latest movie. Some ID will be there. So I'm clicking for cover photo. Upload photo or video. Here. My page was ready. So this is my profile picture. This is my cover image. Just here. What is that? Add your description. Now click here. Please write down. This is called short description. It will be 155 characters. So this page promoting from one of the website, the website name call is called southillnews.com. Why? Because page nothing but you can promote by one of the website. That is I'm taking for this website. What the option call is movie reviews. Just copy this URL, replace by, click for save. Out of 150 character, I'm adding with the 124 characters. Remaining 36 will be here. So this one. So after creating your page, first option is called adding with your profile picture, cover image, and after adding the short description, very important one is called just click for about. You have to create a perfect page for user understanding purpose. You create the perfect page. Now, what is my category is movie. What is my name is latest movie name. Movie reviews. What is called my username? So this is going for zigzag. Some numeric is there. If anybody open the any company page will be like this. Facebook.com/digital Rakesh. This is a direct username. What is called? This direct username. Now, what is my username is some zigzag. I'm creating for my username here. What is that? Create a page, username. When adding username, it will be there, they will accept. It will there, they will accept. Latest movie reviews. What is that? Not eligible. Not eligible. Already is there. Done. Please write down. Every Facebook username accept up to 50 characters. Every Facebook they accept up to 50 characters. Username don't give the space. Username don't give the space. Now latest film reviews. Click for create a username. See here, the page does not eligible for username. So they're looking for minimum 25 likes. Minimum 25 likes. If you create the username, is not eligible. We require for how many likes? Require for 25 likes. Now just here refresh. Or minimum to update your post. Now, what is that? Enter email address. So you enter the official email address, anything for contact purpose. So, so copy this one. Where will place? Enter your website. Click for save. And a very important thing is that here, for that, tell me people about your business. Add your team member. So click photograph. Latest movie reviews. Latest Tamil reviews. Click for. So first I'm creating a Facebook page. Every Facebook page I'm creating for the first we can create by your profile picture and the cover image. After that we adding by the your category. Check the name and username. If username not eligible, how many likes will be required? 25 likes. add your email address and website address and short description up to 155 characters after writing for your article about your page. After that, your team members. I'm adding with my team member now. So remain all will be common points. Now just go to your page. In your page, very important one is called how to reach your traffic. Now this option is what is that? Just click for edit button. Button will be complete for 4, 5, 6. Please write down. After creating a page, the button option will be 6. One is for booking your ticket or anything, for flight or anything, booking purpose. Second one is called contact purpose. Third one is learn about your business along with the video or website. Fourth one will be shopping purpose. Fifth one is called mobile apps purpose. Mobile apps and games. Last one, just your community purpose. So I'm clicking for contact or maybe learn more about this. Watch video, learn more. I'm clicking for watch video just here and give them my website URL. What is that? Website link. What is that? Facebook video. Website link. Click for save. After that, finish. Previous option call is send message. Now option is the watch video. After 1 month, after 2 months, you can change your button. No issues. Any number of times you change your button. Not for problem for the change button options. Done here. This is called my create a page. Please write down. After create a page, how to share my content. How to share my content. So this is my page. I'm create a page is perfect. Now here, just go to my website. First of all, this website here the AdSense will be there. This is called news portals. News portal all will be earning with the Google AdSense. Now here I'm selecting for this review. Just copy this link. Just scroll down. What the option call is? Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus. But I'm showing where the Facebook. Now click. What my page name is? Latest film review. Now click. Share the page. For that page, what the option call is? Latest movie reviews. You're creating how many pages, everything checked by this share option. What option call is? Share on a page you are manage. Now click here. Putting for hashtag. Why? For trending purpose. Your keyword will be putting for based on the hashtag. What is for trending? Now, what is the trending keyword is? Movie review. And this one. So related keywords are mandatory. What are the related keywords? Film review and cinema review. This is called related keywords. Related tags. Now click for post to Facebook. Website to I can share the social icon with the page. I will check. Refresh. where I'm doing for website to where page. Now, second option. Just go to YouTube. Here, I'm promoting only for my channel video, not for all videos. Promoting for only for my channel videos. Now, just click here. Setting my page. The same one. Here. Open it. What option call is? Share. Facebook. Now, what option call is? Share with your page timeline. What are my pages? Latest movie review. Click here. Click for post to Facebook. Previous, I'm done with the website to page. Now done with the YouTube to page. Now just come here. After sharing for two options, can you tell me the what is the difference? Can you tell me the what difference? First is the website. Second will be YouTube. YouTube channel. Now look. What is the difference? Website to sharing will be large thumbnail. YouTube sharing will be small thumbnails. Is it clear? This is the difference with the YouTube to Facebook sharing, website to Facebook sharing. So this is where you can promote your business for more increase the page likes purpose. Just what the option call is share. This page can be shared to the groups. Automatically increase your likes. Automatically increase your likes. This is called create your page, share your content, and increase your like process.